This is the Woodford RK-PT or push-to-turn repair kit for the model C22. On the front of the package here, it'll show what it'll come with, which in this case is just that spring and the handle screw. You can see on the front of the package here, it is just for the hot hand side only. So we'll go ahead and get both of the pieces here out. So there's the spring, and the handle screw is getting stuck in the packaging. There it is. So yeah, the handle screw, which is just a brass screw here driven by a flathead. Then you've got the spring there. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each of them, starting with the spring, which of course that spring will compress when you push to turn it. But right out of the package, it should measure right at about an inch. And the handle screw got the length of right at about an inch and or about an inch and a quarter. Yeah, right above an inch and a quarter. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford RK-PT repair kit.